Have you ever wanted to easily view a list on Twitter using your PC? In this video, I'll show you the simple steps to access your lists quickly and efficiently. First, start by clicking on your profile image located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a drop-down menu with various options available for you to choose from. Next, within the drop-down menu, locate and click on the Lists option. This will redirect you to a new page where you can access all the lists you've created or subscribed to on Twitter. Now you'll see a list of all the lists you are a member of. Simply scroll through the options and click on the specific list that you want to view. By doing this, you'll be able to see all the tweets and updates from the accounts included in that particular list. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can easily navigate through your lists on Twitter, allowing you to stay updated on the content that matters most to you. Whether you want to keep track of industry news, stay updated with your favorite influencers, or simply organize your feed, accessing lists on Twitter via your PC is a convenient and straightforward process. So, next time you're looking to streamline your Twitter experience, remember these quick steps to view a list on Twitter with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy tweeting.